Peppa Pig, George goes to the potty. Peppa, Susie, and George are having a tea party when they smell something stinky. It's coming from George. Do you need the potty, George? Asks Mummy Pig. I think it's too late for the potty, says Peppa. Mummy Pig gets George all cleaned up. Peppa already knows how to use the potty, so she will help teach George. Mummy Pig tells George, next time before you go poo poo or wee wee, call out the magic word, potty. Peppa and Susie play hide and seek with George. Suddenly, George freezes. He whispers, wee wee. Peppa calls out, Mummy, Daddy, George wants his potty. Daddy Pig rushes George to the potty. Well done, George. But next time don't forget to shout the magic word, potty. Daddy Pig reminds him. Later on, George plays with Peppa and Susie outside. He gets a stirring feeling in his tummy again. He shouts the magic word potty. Hang on, George, says Daddy Pig as he runs out with George's potty. Everyone is so proud of George. Hooray! George can use the potty and you can too.